Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to suggest your account to others on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. First click on your profile icon like this. Now click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and now click privacy, and here you will see suggest your account to others. Click on it, and here as you see just manage your suggest your account to other settings as you want. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.